This is a quick video for Chris. This is the display system out of your Mark II Prius, and it's just a little video so that you can see it's all in pieces, and I just wanted to show you the connector. So I'll just flip this board over. I've already disconnected it, so there's nothing too much to worry about, so I'll just gently lift that up and flip the circuit panel over. And you'll actually see the edgeway connector that I think is probably causing all the problems there. Done some very fine soldering work on that before, but as you know, with the Mark II Prius, you can keep having the same problem with the connection. So that's actually the socket I'm going to be cleaning up there. And here's the other part on the PCB. I'll just point to it there for you. So that was where the fine soldering work was carried out before, just by where I'm holding the screwdriver. So that will be cleaned up and reassembled, and hopefully it'll all be a-okay back in the vehicle.